The year is 2035, and the world of transportation is on the cusp of a major breakthrough. For decades, innovators and futurists have dreamed of new forms of high-speed travel. But these visions had yet to materialize on a major scale. The development of the Hyperloop in the early 2020s promised to change everything. The Hyperloop concept was first proposed by entrepreneur Elon Musk in 2013. It envisions passenger pods being propelled through almost airless tubes at speeds of over 700 miles per hour. This novel system could connect cities less than 1,000 miles apart, faster than air travel. For example, a trip from San Francisco to Los Angeles would take just 30 minutes. After years of testing and safety demonstrations, the first full-scale Hyperloop entered operation in 2028 between Dubai and Abu Dhabi. It slashed the 75-mile trip down to just 10 minutes. The Hyperloop's success in the United Arab Emirates proved that this innovative form of transportation was not just theoretical, but entirely practical. The Dubai-Abu Dhabi Hyperloop demonstrated that the technology could work and sparked a wave of Hyperloop investment and construction worldwide. In the United States, a Los Angeles to San Francisco Hyperloop entered service in 2031. Additional U.S. Hyperloops connected Chicago, Columbus, Pittsburgh, and Washington, D.C. In China, Hyperloops provided rapid travel between Shanghai, Hangzhou, and Suzhou. India unveiled Hyperloops linking Mumbai, Bangalore, and Delhi. With a top speed of 760 miles per hour, passengers could traverse the roughly 870 miles between Mumbai and Delhi in just 100 minutes. That same journey takes nearly 24 hours by train today. Hyperloops began reshaping countries by tightening connections between major metropolitan areas. The emergence of operational Hyperloop networks proved that nearly supersonic terrestrial transportation was viable. However, some futurists immediately set their sights on even faster and more advanced systems. Maglev magnetic levitation trains had operated commercially since the 2000s, but they rarely exceeded 300 miles per hour in regular service. Using Maglev technology in evacuated tubes to eliminate air resistance, developers aim to create new vehicles capable of unprecedented speeds. In 2033, American company HyperMach tested an experimental Maglev Hyperloop pod in the Nevada desert. Their prototype set a land speed record of over 1,000 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound. This demonstration kicked off a new wave of research into high-speed Maglev Hyperloops and other rapid transit concepts. By 2035, HyperMach is preparing to open its Los Angeles to New York Maglev Hyperloop. This line will whisk passengers from coast to coast in just 82 minutes. For comparison, a flight between the two cities takes at least 4.5 hours. Some futurists predict Maglev Hyperloop speeds could eventually approach an astonishing 4,000 miles per hour. That velocity could connect any 2 points on Earth in under an hour. The emergence of functional Hyperloop networks is also creating new opportunities in cargo transport. In 2031, Virgin Hyperloop became the first company to use Hyperloops for freight delivery by partnering with DP World to link Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Goods that were once shipped solely by air or sea can now be transported between major logistics hubs at previously impossible speeds. Moving cargo in Hyperloop pods allows products to get to market faster than ever before. Cold chain logistics also benefit by enabling time-sensitive goods like groceries and medicines to stay fresher during shipping. Some experts predict that Hyperloop technology could entirely replace short-haul air travel and cargo transport. Travelers around the world are now starting to ask, why fly when I could Hyperloop and get there faster? High-speed Hyperloop connections provide all the convenience of air travel without the hassle of airports. However, significant obstacles remain to be overcome before Hyperloops fundamentally transform global transportation. Constructing tubes hundreds of miles long over land or beneath seas remains extremely capital-intensive. Right-of-way issues and regulatory hoops also slow down Hyperloop development in many countries. And while Hyperloops are incredibly fast, their passenger and cargo capacities lag behind traditional modes like rail or aviation. But if the rapid pace of Hyperloop advancement since the 2020s continues, these challenges seem surmountable. Venture capital is pouring into startups working to realize faster and higher capacity Hyperloops. Construction costs could be cut by developing innovative tunneling techniques or even submerged undersea tubes. Groups like Virgin Hyperloop are leading the charge to get Hyperloop systems certified for passenger travel. Engineers are demonstrating that speed does not have to come at the cost of safety or comfort. As more Hyperloop lines open and development costs decrease, a virtuous cycle takes hold. Like past revolutions in transportation, the steam engine, automobile, airplane, and commercial jet, the Hyperloop is poised to radically reshape economies, cities, and lives around the world. Fulfilling the visions of visionaries like Elon Musk, the Hyperloop transition from theory to reality could mark the dawn of a new high-speed era in transit. While the future remains uncertain, Hyperloop systems seem destined to offer the promise of connecting humanity like never before. For centuries, breaking the barrier of being able to travel over 700 miles per hour on land seemed an impossible dream. The emergence of Hyperloops and Maglev technology proves that humanity's transportation ambitions are bound only by imagination and innovation. Subscribe.